Artificial intelligence, AI, is a transformative field of technology that has captivated human imagination for decades. This innovative branch of computer science seeks to replicate human-like intelligence in machines, enabling them to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as problem-solving, learning, and decision-making. AI's history, development, future, merits, and demerits provide an intricate tapestry of human ingenuity and its potential impact on the world. History and development. The roots of AI can be traced back to the mid-20th century. In 1956, John McCarthy organized the Dartmouth Workshop, often considered the birth of AI. Early AI research primarily focused on symbolic logic, attempting to represent human knowledge and reasoning using computer algorithms. Over the years, AI went through several cycles of hype and disappointment, known as AI winters. These periods saw limited progress due to technological limitations and unrealistic expectations. However, recent decades have witnessed significant advancements in AI, driven by several factors: increased computational power, the accumulation of vast amounts of data, and breakthroughs in machine learning techniques, such as deep learning, have catalyzed AI's development. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Amazon have played pivotal roles in advancing AI through research and applications. The current landscape. Today, AI is integrated into numerous aspects of our lives. From virtual personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, AI is transforming industries, including healthcare, finance, and manufacturing. Machine learning models are being used for speech recognition, image classification, and natural language processing, with breakthroughs in language models like GPT-3 that can generate human-like text and perform complex tasks. Merits. AI offers a plethora of merits. It can analyze vast data sets quickly, making it a powerful tool for scientific research and data-driven decision-making. In the healthcare sector, AI can help diagnose diseases and recommend personalized treatments. In finance, it aids in risk assessment and fraud detection. Automation and robotics driven by AI are increasing efficiency in manufacturing and logistics. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants enhance customer service. Moreover, AI can tackle complex, data-intensive problems that are beyond human capacity. Demerits. While AI has immense potential, it also comes with demerits. One major concern is job displacement, as automation and AI-driven systems can replace certain human tasks. Ethical concerns, such as bias in AI algorithms, privacy issues, and the misuse of AI for surveillance and cyber attacks, are pressing challenges. The development of lethal autonomous weapons is another ethical concern. Global leadership in AI. The United States and China are currently leading the world in AI research, development, and deployment. The United States is known for its strong research institutions, tech giants, and entrepreneurial culture, while China has made significant investments in AI infrastructure and research. Both countries have their unique strengths, and their competition for AI dominance is a focal point of global attention. The future of AI. The future of AI is indeed promising. It has the potential to revolutionize nearly every aspect of human life, from healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment. AI can augment human capabilities and improve our quality of life by streamlining processes and providing innovative solutions to complex problems. However, ethical and regulatory frameworks must evolve to address the challenges and risks associated with AI. In conclusion, artificial intelligence has come a long way from its inception in the 1950s. Its development has been marked by periods of significant progress and moments of stagnation. Today, AI is reshaping the world in profound ways, offering numerous merits while also posing challenges and ethical concerns. The competition for leadership in AI between the United States and China is a dynamic force shaping the field. The future of AI is bright, but its responsible development and deployment are crucial to realizing its full potential while mitigating its risks.